Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are gonna be making a rocket bamboo. So, bamboo, marker, bunch of matches, scissors, and that's all. So, basically, exit. Basically, we're gonna be marking this bamboo right here. So all we need is to cut this, and now it's been cut, so it's time for the matches in. So all we need is to take this powder. So it takes some time, so this is the result. So we've been making it into a powder, and we'll put this powder inside a tube, so inside a bamboo. So inside we're gonna be put a paper. Okay, some paper, ram this. Okay, and put this powder inside. So there it is. So the powder is in this case, so we better put some holes for an exact precise rocket. Okay, so this is just an example of our rocket. So okay, so these are our rockets. So ito yung mga rocket natin. This is our rocket. So let's try this in the field if it flies or it will work. So let's go to the field. This is our rocket. So rocket test. Ayog na ha. Dito rin sa kuto. Ano mo tuloy dito rin sa kuto? Urot sa nata. Woo! Putik. Okay, our second rocket. So I hope this is the last one that flies. Okay. Holy crap. Okay, so today's video, our rockets failed to launch. So let's call it a day. So like, share, and do subscribe, boys. See ya.